The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa has climbed to 45. 15 persons are still missing. Information Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon made the disclosure during a media briefing held earlier this morning.
The numbers that have been confirmed, and just noting these have been confirmed by the JCF, so they have investigated and they have concluded that these deaths were associated with the hurricane, and they have done so in conjunction with the JDF. And so the total confirmed fatalities coming out of Hurricane Melissa now stands at 45. And I'll go through parish by parish. Hanover, 2, Westmoreland, 15, St. James, 6, Trelawney, 2, St. Anne, 1, Portland, 1, St. Elizabeth, 18. So that's a total confirmed of 45. In terms of postmortems, they have been able to conduct 33 postmortems to date. And there are some that they're waiting to do the postmortems on. And so that is the confirmed number. The confirmed number is 45. And I know those are 45 families that are hurting deeply.